Hi all, today I am Prince Kumar. Yeah, I'm going to demonstrate the operating calculator where I have already written the code in VS Studio and let's start. I will first of all, yeah, this is a code. Yeah, first of all I will show you the output of this code, then I will explain the all the program. All right, let me Control J for terminal. Yeah, or Control Alt N for run the program. Yeah, it's run. Let's me zoom first of all. Control plus. Yeah, it's clear now. Yeah, yeah. This is all my details. This is press or follow the operation. For this operation, press 1 for arithmetic operator, press 2 for relational operator, press 3 for logical operator, and press 4 for bitwise operator. Click here. Yeah. First we go with one for arithmetic operator. Yeah. Next, it's a arithmetic operator calculator. Follow the steps: one to addition operation, second for subtraction operation, third for multiplication operation, four for division operation, five for what is this? Yeah, remainder operation. First we go with addition part. All right. Press one, enter. Enter first value, let me 15. Enter second value, let me 20. And the output of this will be 35. Yeah, and the answer is addition equals to 35. Okay, again I run this program. I will go with first one. Yeah, and now we second part is subtraction operation. Press 2. Subtraction, put any value. I will 10. Second will be 2. The output will be 8. Okay, again I run this program. Again, 1 for multiplication part, I will press 3. Okay, multiply 5, it will 25. It's all right. Again run this program. Go with first part. Now 4 for division. 15 divided by 5 gives you 3. All right, again run this program. Go with first uh, for remainder part for 5. Enter 40. Remainder of 22 gives you 0. Yeah, because 2 is the multiple of 40. Yeah, so again run this program. Press 1 and I will press here 6 or 7 number, which is the out of this option. Let's see what happened. Let me press 8. The compiler show wrong key pressed. All right, again run this program. Now operator relational operator. Press 1 less than operation, 2 for greater than operation, 3 for equal to operation, and 4 for not equal to, which is a, I mean, what is this symbol of exclamation mark, equals to or operation. Okay, let me go with first. Yeah, press 1. Let's say compiler 5 is greater than 2 or not. Yeah, 5 first was less than. Yeah, 5 is less than 2. It's false. Yeah, 5 is greater than 2. Again run this program. Go with second. Go with first. Let's say program compiler 8 is less than 4. False. Alright. Again run this program. Go with second part. I will press 2 now. Okay, 15 is greater than 4. Yes, true. Alright. Now in this program, control and no. For running the program in VS, you have to just press Control Alt and you will run the program very easy. Okay. So, yeah. Second part, relational operator. Yeah. I will go with third. Equal to. Let ask compiler, do 8 is same number to 8? Yes, compiler say yes, it's same. Again run this program. For second part, I will ask again compiler, do compiler 10, change the number. 20 is same as 5, false. Yeah, compiler is intelligent. Yeah, good compiler. For run this program again, going with third part. Okay, I will run with, okay, we'll go with third one. It is a logical operator or calculator. Okay, for logical we have three options here. For one for AND operation, two for OR operation, and three for NOT operation. Okay, first again we go with first operation, which is AND operation. Let as we know in as we know the compiler understand one equals for any integer value, non-zero integer value, and 0 for 0. Alright, let me put 5 here. I am putting the 5, but compiler understand this 5 equals to 1. Okay, and 1 gives you 1. Why? Let me understand you that in AND operation, when the first condition is true and second condition is true, then the output will be true. When the condition one, the I mean if and only if the condition is true, no, if and only if the any condition is false, then false. Yeah, in AND any condition is false, then false. Here the both the condition is true. Yeah, this is true, this is true, then it gives true. Let me again run the program. Choose 3 for logical operation, 1 for AND operation. Let me change. First condition is false and second condition is true. Then output will be false. It means 0. Yeah. Again run this program. Go with third, first. Yeah. First condition is true. First condition is false and second condition is false. Then third condition will be false, because if and only if any condition is false, then false. It is a rule of AND operation. Alright. Yeah. Again run this program. Go with third. For OR operation, if any condition is true, then true, otherwise false. Yeah. If any condition is true, then otherwise false. For true, oh sorry, I click one. Yeah. Any condition, if any condition is false, then false. Yeah, okay. Let me again run this program again. Yeah. Click for logical operator. Go with and if any condition is for OR operation or for OR logical operator, if any condition is false, no, if any condition is true, then true. If any condition is true, then true. 1 for true and 0 for false gives you true. Yeah. In or in when this condition applied in a AND operation, it will gives you false, because if any condition is false, then false in AND. If for OR operator, if any condition is true, then true.